Hi, my name is Attorney Walter, if not the third. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. We're going on to question 116 of the top 200 Social Security disability questions. Let's hit it right now. These are the questions you'll likely hear in your Social Security disability hearing. All right, 116. Do you wash dishes by hand, via dishwasher, or a combination of both? Now, this could come up in two sets, right? It could come up as a commercial question, which is about the prior work that you used to do, which is usually at the beginning of the questions that you'll be hearing from the judge, or it'll come up later when they're asking about what tasks you can do when it comes to cleaning at your own home. So if it's commercial application, there's usually going to be some sort of dishwasher involved, but it's also usually a combination of hand and dishwasher because somebody's going to dry them, somebody's going to wash them, etc. So do you wash dishes by hand, via dishwasher, or a combination of both? Now remember, when it comes to washing dishes, you have to specify if you are washing dishes. Is this a quick dunk machine, or you just place it in the thing? Or is this something where you got to get out the brush and use fine manipulative features of your hands to hold the brush to clean all the little different areas of the cups and the drinks and the saucers and the whatevers? And the reason why this is important is that it goes into basically what is your capacity to lift. If you're doing a commercial application, those plates are very heavy. So the expectation is you can lift over 10 pounds and sometimes over 20 pounds. And then if it's a combination of both, that shows that you have the capacity to do line-based orders. Something goes in here, you work on it, 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 machine works on it, work on it, machine works on it, and boop, pops out over there. All right? So there's steps, and you can follow steps to that job. All right, we're going to be going on to question 117 after this. If you have any questions for me, shoot me an email or give me a call. Also, I go live 8 to 10 p.m. every Thursday on YouTube, Eastern Standard Time. Also, please like, subscribe, and leave 5 stars. Google, Avo, Better Business Bureau, things like that. I would really appreciate it. Have an absolutely wonderful day, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.